From a brewing battle over chips to how AI could bring the world a new song by the Beatles. These were the week's big stories in artificial intelligence. Chipmaker AMD wants to muscle in on the AI boom that has lifted shares in rival NVIDIA. It's launched new silicon aimed at powering chatbots and the like. But it failed to confirm any big customers for the product, sending its shares skidding lower. Amazon's cloud unit said it might sign up. OpenAI boss Sam Altman has wrapped up a world tour. He says it's left him unexpectedly optimistic about coordinated global action to regulate AI. He's also been trying to ease fears of an unemployment crisis.
Some jobs will go away. I hope everyone will live a much better life. I think that can simultaneously be true, but I don't think it's gonna quite have the employment impact people expect.
Google has launched AI-powered advertising. This system automatically finds the best spot for ads across the company's products, from Gmail to YouTube. Google says that takes away the grunt work for advertisers, leaving them free to think about content and strategy. IKEA has assembled its own chatbot. It's dubbed Billie after one of the store's famous bookcases. IKEA says it handled 47% of inquiries to call centers over the past 2 years. But jobs aren't going. Instead, 8,500 call center workers have been retained as interior design advisors. And AI could bring the world a final song from the Beatles. Paul McCartney says the tech has been used to work on a track created by John Lennon. Some think it's Now and Then, which Lennon recorded as a demo in 1978. The song will be released later this year.